In this video, I will show you how to turn ChatGPT into a powerful hook writing assistant for your social media and marketing content. I'll start by opening my notes where I have my setup prompt ready. I'm going to copy this text, which introduces myself as Josh, a content creator, and defines exactly who my audience is and what I need my hooks to achieve. I'll paste this into ChatGPT and hit enter to set the foundation. ChatGPT immediately adopts the role, confirming the audience profile and outlining the specific hook styles it will generate for me, like problem-based and curiosity-driven hooks. Now that the assistant is set up, I'll go back to my notes to grab a specific task. I'm copying a prompt that asks for 10 hook options for an article about why people fail to reach their goals despite working hard. I'll paste that into the chat and watch as it generates 10 distinct options. As I scroll down, I can see a variety of approaches, from bold statements to myth-busting hooks, all designed to stop a busy professional mid-scroll. To make these even better, I'll copy a follow-up prompt to refine the results. I want ChatGPT to pick the top 3 hooks for platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram and provide even sharper, more punchy versions. After pasting and sending this, I get a breakdown of why these specific hooks work, along with the sharper versions that are ready to be used in a real post. Next, I'll move on to email marketing. I'll copy a prompt from my list that asks for 10 email subject line hooks. This one is specifically for a freelancer who needs to tell clients they are raising their rates. Once I paste this in, ChatGPT provides 10 short, high-impact subject lines categorized by style, such as the direct benefit hook or the personal message hook. For short-form video creators, I have a prompt for spoken hooks. I'll copy this one, which focuses on a video about the 5 a.m. routine. I'll paste it into ChatGPT, and it quickly generates 8 spoken options that are designed to be said in the first 2 seconds of a video to immediately grab the viewer's attention. Finally, I want a system I can use over and over again. I'll copy a prompt that asks ChatGPT to create a simple, repeatable hook writing framework. I'll paste this into the chat, and it provides 5 proven formulas, like the contrarian truth and the relatable frustration formula. Each includes a template and an example, giving me a complete toolkit to write effective hooks for any piece of content in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.